the Melomania 1 True Wireless Earbuds. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll take a look at the Melomania 1 by Cambridge Audio. They've been around for over 50 years with an assortment of speakers and amplifiers. These earbuds are designed and engineered in London. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside you get the user guide, Cambridge Audio stickers, and a handy card that summarizes the controls. You get the micro USB cord for charging, silicone and foam tips. And there are also optional cases available, which we'll go over in a bit. The earbuds come packaged nicely, and on the inner cover you will see a small thank you and a brief history of the product. The back has the diagrams and specs. The Melomania 1s feature 9 hours of listening time, 45 hours with the case. It takes 30 minutes to charge the earbuds and 2 hours for the case. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, Qualcomm QCC3026 chipset, button controls, aptX, AAC, SBC codec, and CVC for noise reduction, micro USB for charging, and it's IPX5 sweat and water resistant. And here's a diagram that breaks down the earbuds. These use 5.8mm enhanced graphene drivers. They come in two colors, stone, which I have here, and black. The case has a nice feel to it with its matte finish and it's easy to grip. The back has the branding along with the brush latch. Almost has an Apple AirPods case feel to it. On the front of the case you'll find the status LED, and on the left side is a micro USB charge port. The lid feels tight and has a nice snap to it when opening and closing, and it uses magnets. The earbuds are also easy to grip and remove. When putting it back, it clicks into place, and it also uses magnets, so it's very secure. And you can see it click into place here. And here is the black version. Just to get a size perspective, here it is next to the Apple AirPods 2 case. One thing you will notice is that the earbuds are very light and small. It's plastic with a metal ring towards the base. The design is more of an earplug style and it's just horizontal. And the ear indicators are marked on the side. Each of the earbuds have microphones, LED, button control, interchangeable ear tips, and charging contacts. And here it is next to the black version. Navigating the playback and call controls is just a matter of a few presses to get the desired function. You will also notice that the voice prompts have a British accent. There are also optional silicone cases, and they are available in 6 colors. I have the gray and blue. It also comes with a carabiner. It's just a matter of sliding the case in, and you have the cutouts for the LED and a flap to cover the charge port. It's a one-piece design. The earbuds are roughly 1 inch in length. The case comes in at 1.9 by 0.8 by 2.2 inches. It weighs in at 38 grams, and the earbuds come in at roughly 10 grams, so it's very light. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there is no replacement for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample. Now for a microphone test in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Melomania 1 True Wireless Earbuds. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone worked fairly well, and during calls it was easy to hear the callers, and the other parties had no issues hearing me. They can also be used independently, left or right side if you prefer. The pairing process was quick and easy, and I had no issues. Testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency, and this may vary depending on your device and apps used. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Melomania 1 True Wireless Earbuds, and I always start off by saying sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. Starting off with comfort, I initially thought that they would not fit well because of the design. To my surprise, they actually are very comfortable. It seats well and provides a nice seal. There is a good amount of passive noise isolation. But keep in mind, you have to take time and find the correct size for the ear tips to accomplish the correct fitment. The button controls were responsive and it has a clicky feel to it, and it doesn't require a lot of pressure to activate. So it really doesn't push in that much further into your ear canals. It had no issues staying into place while running. Build and quality is solid. The case has a nice slim design and it's easy to carry around in your pockets, and it's not bulky at all. The earbuds are very small and lightweight. It doesn't protrude out as much, and it's just tucked right inside your ears, even though the design would make you think it will be too long. I would have liked to seen USB-C and wireless charging, but the overall battery life is very respectable, coming in at 9 hours with 4 additional charges. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, I felt that it had a fair amount. The bass is punchy and has a lot of depth. It's not the overwhelming heavy bass, but it's just enough. Mids and highs come in very clean and clear. Vocals come in loud and are more forward, but not to the point where it was too bright. I do like the overall soundstage and feel that the sounds are pretty balanced. You may have picked up some of the detail in the music samples. And again, having the correct ear tips will matter, or else it will sound tinny, and you won't get the full sound experience. I felt that it did well with various music genres, especially with a lot of vocals. Pop, alternative, and EDM, just to name a few. Overall, I'm very impressed with the earbuds. I like the overall design and the sound signature that the small earbuds can deliver. So that is my review of the Melomania 1 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.